Welcome back. This is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about variable. So what is variable in Python? Variable is a kind of a place where we can assign value, where we can store the value, and then we can use it in our program. It is very simple. There are certain rules for defining the variable name. The first rule says that it must start with a num, it must start with a character, right? It must start with a letter or the underscore character. Then second rule says variable name cannot start with a number. Third rule says variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and the underscore. And the fourth rule says variable names are case sensitive. That is, if I'm writing capital AGE and the small AGE, these two words are treated as two different variable, right? So that is what called as a sensitivity. Perfectly fine. Now let's jump into the program. Here I'm going to show you how to declare variable in Python. The important and interesting thing is that in Python there is no need to declare variable. You just need to assign value to any variable. It will automatically get created. For example, I am writing AGE. I am just assigning state. Now Now here you don't need to declare the variable. For example, if you are coming from the C# background, first you need to type the data type, then you need to say the variable name, right? Likewise, you need to define in a C#. But in Python there is no need. Then how would I know that what was the data type of my respective variable is? For that we have a function called as a type. So you simply need to use a function called as a type, and then you need to pass that variable, right? And just see the output. Just run the code and see the output. See here what we'll see the int here. Perfectly. If I'm specifying age as Shrikant, now let's see what is its data type. See, str is a string. Okay, if for example if I'm specifying here 2.3, now let's see what will we get. We will get float, right? For example, I'm just showing you the array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and just see the data type for this. I am seeing here list. So in coming video I'm going to show you the what are the different data type, and how to deal with them, how to deal with the int, how to deal with the string, how to deal with the float, how to deal with the list, tuple, and all those things I'm going to show you. So hope you enjoy our video related with the variable, how to define the variable, and how to see the data type of the variable. If you like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.